Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to insert an Excel file into a PowerPoint presentation so you can showcase your data seamlessly during your slides. First, open your PowerPoint presentation on your computer and navigate to the slide where you want to insert the Excel file. Next, click on the Insert tab at the top of the screen. Under the text section, select Object. This will open the object window with different options for creating or inserting objects. Choose Create from File and then click Browse to locate the Excel file you want to insert. Select the file and click Insert. You'll see an option to display as icon. Checking this box will show your Excel file as an icon rather than displaying its contents on the slide, which helps keep your presentation clean. If you prefer, you can leave it unchecked to show the Excel data directly. Finally, click OK to insert the file into your slide. Your Excel file is now embedded in your PowerPoint presentation and ready to use. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.